Hello there. There's Punksy, my kitten. We're just outside playing in the snow. I think he should take a break from skating, so let's see what he does here. It's easier to see. And it's funner, but he can't slide. I've never heard of a cat who play fetch. Let's get him closer. This is the best way to get your cat exercise. He just lays there. That dog barking. He never shuts up, it seems like. Sometimes I wonder if this cat is part dog. It's hilarious. Ah, my hands are cold. Yeah, outside, in the snow, when it's warm out. No one wearing only a sweater. No jacket, or gloves, or a hat. Just bare hands. Having fun with Punky. His birthday is September 5th. But he's still so cute. And I've been digging. See, that's all I use. Chopping at the snow. Having some fun while at it. Let me try something. Fingers are cold. Ow! That hurt. Okay. Now he's back over where he was skating. Ow! Stupid ice! This is what we were doing earlier, and I kept hitting him in the face with snowballs, but he's okay. As long as I don't get any ice when I throw. Oh, hey, this one has a stick in it. Oh, this is fun. Best way to get your cat exercise. Well, kitten. Cats are lazy. I prefer kittens. Because it's fun. Because I call him Padfoot. Because he cannot hold on to anything. When he tries to climb up my pants leg, oh my gosh, he cannot hold on. It's so funny. Even if he tries to climb, like, there's only one time when he climbed a tree. But then he fell out of the tree. Okay, I'm using a shovel inside my hand. My hands are beet red, really cold. Okay, there's Punksy. This snowbank that I'm in is probably about 2, maybe 3 feet tall. Oh, let me get him to come back. Not on the other side of the bush. There he is. Gosh, he is the funniest cat I think I've ever known. Like, he's the most hyper cat we've ever had. Oh, man, that'd have been funny if he would have ran into that. Anyone who watched this video and saw him run into something would definitely be laughing. I know I would. He's ran into counters and doors. I missed. How can I miss? There's Pumpkin right back there. Let me see if I can get him close enough. I don't know if any of you saw that. That was funny. Let's see. I'll aim it. She's one crazy cat. Okay, let's see. Ah, my headphones fell off. This is fun. You see, he's hiding back there. Alright, I'm gonna throw one with my hand. Oh, that's cool looking. so you can see the ice. My hands are like beet red from being stupid. What was that? It's hard to use the shovel. Just a little. Anyway, catch you later. Thank you. Bye.